Hello everyone, welcome to Vijay Chemistry channel. Today we are going to discuss its continuation mole concept. In previous class we discussed about mole. Okay, one mole is equals to how many particles? One mole is equals to how many particles we discussed? We got it. We proved 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. Here, sometimes value in some books 6.023 will be there. Nothing happened. Okay, no need to confuse there. Now, today its continuation Avogadro number. What is meant by Avogadro number? Avogadro number. Avogadro number, it is denoted by capital N or capital N subscript down bottom capital A. Like this we should represent. Okay, capital N or capital N small capital A only in smaller size. We are going to write like this. That there is the representation of Avogadro number. What is meant by Avogadro number? Means if you take one mole of substance, already we got to know here. One mole of substance, it contains how many particles? 6.023 particles. Okay. Avogadro number also they are telling same thing. The number of entities present in one mole of the substance. The number of entities, the number of entities, entities means particles only. The number of entities present in the number of entities present in one mole of the substance. One mole of substance are called Avogadro number. What is Avogadro number? The number of entities present in one mole of the substance. If we take one mole of the substance, okay, in that how many particles are present? That is only Avogadro number he is telling. Means indirectly one mole particles only. Yes or no? Indirectly or directly. One mole is nothing but 6.023 particles already we calculated. Okay. If anyone don't know, please watch previous video. You will get to know complete information. Now, here, as per this, can we say one mole is equals to one Avogadro number? Yes, one mole is equals to one Avogadro number. Also, we can say because the number of entities present in one mole of the substance. One mole of the substance, how many particles are there? In Avogadro number also same particles are present. So one mole is equals to one Avogadro number. One mole value how much? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. What is here? Particles is nothing but just these particles are nothing but that will be okay. Here particles are nothing but As per question, if they ask atoms we used to mention at particle place. Okay, 6.023 atoms. 1 mole of iron contains how many atoms? Immediately, particles place 6.023 atoms. Like that. Or molecule or electrons or protons or ions. Okay, as per the question, we should mention the particular electrons, protons, neutrons, ions, atoms, molecules. Okay, now we got to know complete information about 1 mole Avogadro number. They contains how many particles. Okay, now some applications of mole concept. Main applications of mole concept. These applications only main role to for calculations. Applications of mole concept. What are the applications of mole concept? What are they? Yeah, already previous we discussed. Molecular mass in grams. In grams. Grams mentioned means it contains 6.023 particles in it. So molecular mass in grams represent 1 mole of the substance. Applications. First application. Molecular mass in grams represent 1 mole of substance. Molecular mass in grams represent 1 mole of substance. About this complete information, if you want, you watch mole concept second video. Okay, you will get it about this clarity. So molecular mass in grams represent 1 mole of the substance. Next, 1 mole of any substance. 1 mole of any substance contains 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. Already particles means above only we discussed. It may be atoms or molecules or ions or electrons or protons or neutrons. Next, not only molecular mass, even atom also in grams. Okay, atom in grams represent 1 mole of the substance. 1 gram atom of 1 gram atom of any substance contains how many particles? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. 1 gram atom of any substance contains how many particles? 6.0 to 10 to the power 23 particles. Next, about if 1 mole of gas occupy volume, how many liters it will occupy? Means 1 mole of any gas occupies 1 mole of any gas occupy 22 point at STP standard conditions. 1 mole of any gas occupy at STP standard temperature and pressure at STP conditions. 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters or converting to milliliters 22,400 milliliters. This statement only called as gram molar volume. Gram molar volume are known as gram molar volume. Next, not visible here. Yes. Coefficient number coefficient coefficient indicates number of moles. Number of moles. Coefficient indicates number of moles. Means if you write here 2CaCO3, that means before formula what we are giving number, that is coefficient. Means how to read this? 2 moles of calcium carbonate. 2 moles of calcium carbonate. Okay, like that we need to read. These are the applications of mole concept. What is the first application? Molecular mass in grams represent 1 mole of the substance. So you calculate any molecular mass. For example, here calcium carbonate is that calcium carbonate, if you calculate its molecular weight is 100. If you represent in grams we are mentioning means 6.023 particles we are multiplying. So that many particles present in grams. Okay. So molecular mass in grams represent 1 mole of the substance. Next, 1 mole of any substance contains 6.023 particles. 1 gram atom of any substance contains 6. Gram mention means keep in the mind this many particles are present. 6.023 particles. So next, if for gases 1 mole of any gas occupy at STP 22.4 liters or 20,400 milliliters. That is what we are calling gram molar volume. Next, coefficient number, just now we discussed, indicates number of moles. Okay, children, I hope you understood. Thank you to all. Dear students, after watching, expecting from you likes and share to others, because if you like the video, then only give likes. That will be little confident to me also. Okay, our video useful to all, like that. But viewers are coming, likes are coming less. So don't forget, after watching the video, if you like, click on like and share to others, and inform to subscribe. Thank you to all.